Hi chefs, this is the last video for 2017. So today I will be showing you how to make a simple, delicious grilled chicken salad. So let's see what the ingredients are for this salad. I have a few romaine lettuce, 1 celery stick, some cherry tomatoes that I have previously washed. I have 2 cut grilled chicken breasts, some shredded cheese, and 3 dressings. Chop the romaine lettuce and place it in a bowl. Do the same with the celery stick. Remove the head of the cherry tomatoes and cut them in half. Cut the pieces of grilled chicken into chunks. To start my salad, I'm going to cover my lettuce with my chopped cherry tomatoes. Then I'm going to add my chunks of grilled chicken, sprinkle some shredded cheese of your choice, cover your salad with some zesty breadcrumbs to give it that little zest. Now add some creamy cucumber dressing. Then add some heat to it with some ranch chipotle dressing. Tightly seal the bowl and shake to mix all the ingredients. All the ingredients are mixed and all the toppings are evenly spread throughout the salad. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.